Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. This one is going to be on the topic of the Universal Manipulator, which is a tool that combines the function of the Move, Rotate, and Scale tool into one. So you can actually either activate it by going to Modify, Transformation Tools, Universal Manipulator, but I prefer to just use the shortcut Control-T. Okay, so I kind of feel that the best way to understand how this tool works is to just play around with it yourself, but I'm going to point out a few of the cool features in this tutorial. In my opinion, the greatest thing about this tool is that it transforms a group of selected objects without the need to group them. So if I were to select these objects here and hit Ctrl-T, I can manipulate them in one go, which can actually be a fast way to achieve your desired results without having to go through grouping and ungrouping, moving the pivot point to wherever, etc, etc. And this can actually be particularly useful if your meshes are already in a group hierarchy that you don't want to break. Right, let's delve a little bit deeper into the tool's features. Clicking on a dimension or rotate arrow lets you type a new value. So for example, typing a value of 5 into this rotate arrow is going to rotate the cube 5 centimeters. Of course, that's dependent on the units your scene is in, of course. Likewise, you can actually scale your object by typing a value into the dimensions. You can scale by dragging the little edge points. If you hold shift, it's going to scale proportionally in all dimensions. And adding control scales from the center of the object. Also note that rotating with shift is going to rotate around the center axis. Like I've said before, have a play with this tool for yourself, and I'm sure you're going to get plenty of use out of this tool. Thanks for watching, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.